Hey guys, today is Taco Tuesday, so I'm doing some chicken tacos for dinner. I'm a mom of three, so my kids love chicken tacos. So let me just show you how I do it, and also it's going to be a great idea for the Super Bowl party. So let me show you. Okay, so really simple. So we just need the chicken, taco shells. I used the rotel, diced tomatoes, then some taco seasoning, and salt and pepper. Okay. All I do is I put the chicken in the slow cooker. And then I add my taco seasoning. Some more pepper. Then I add the rotel tomatoes. I already took off all the little bit of the juice out. I don't like too much of the water in there. Right. And then put a little bit more pepper, some salt. Then I squeeze a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice. And then I add just a little bit of water. And a little bit of more of the taco seasoning. And then you let it cook in there for 2.5 to 3 hours on high. And that's it. And then I will show you when it's done. Alright guys, and I think the chicken is already ready to be shredded. So let's go look. Oh yeah, it's all done. And then I just to shred it. I mean, I wish that you guys can smell it. It smells so good. That's how finishing shredding it, and then I will show you how I assemble my tacos. Alright, so I just finished and baked the shells for 5 minutes, and then I love refried beans, red ones. I love the Ducal brand. So I always have a little bit left over somewhere. And then so I just put a little bit, and I put some of the chicken. And then I put some cheese. And then I put them in the oven just to melt the cheese. But if not like that, it's all good. And then I just put the toppings, sour cream, avocado, or some chimichurri. And then I will show you how that end product. Hey guys, what you think?
Yummy.
Yeah, you like them?
Yummy, I like them.
So if you had to score them 1 to 10, what's the score? Touchdown. Okay, I like that. All right, so there's nothing else that just try them. Yep, so good. Comment below, let me know if you tried them and if you like them.